Okay, question 3D says the length of a cuboid is 3 times its width. Okay, I'm just going to highlight drawing it out anyway. So we've got length, and there's the width here. Let's draw that like that. Yeah, so this is our width, here's our length, and let's say that's our height there. And we know, obviously, the volume is going to be length, width, height, but we know the length is equal to 3 width. All right, so that makes sense, which means if we wanted to find an equation for height, we could just say the volume is equal to 3w times h. Right, so that's all fine. Okay, that works well. So what else we got here? We're told the sum of them is 150. So we know that length plus width plus height is 150. And we know that this is going to be 3w plus h is 150. So height, therefore, is 150 minus 4w. And that works well. So there we've got an equation now for height. And we've actually been given, actually they do it in terms of x, I'm noticing. I didn't even see that. So volume, that would have been handy to know, is 450. And I'm going to go x now. X squared minus 12x cubed. And x is the width. Okay, good. Right, so I'm using w, they've used x. That's all fine. So find the height of the cuboid for which the volume is a maximum. So to find the maximum volume, and I'll just make a little sidebar here, we're going to differentiate the volume with respect to the width, which is x. And then we're going to make this equal to 0 in order to find which is the maximum. So here we go. So we're going to have, that's 2 times 450 is 900x minus 4 3s are 12, 4 3 12s are 36x, and it'll be squared. Now I can divide everything by, let's just try dividing everything by 36 actually. 900 divided by 36, oops, is 25. That works well. So I've got 25x minus 6x squared. Wait, divided by 36. This gives me an x squared. So there it is. So there is my function there. 25x minus x squared. So I can just go ahead and factorize that. It's going to be, again, I'm doing this without actually thinking. I'm just making a lot of mistakes. So it's going to be x times 25 minus x. So either x is 0 or x is 25. So, well, it can't be 0. We can't have a width of 0. So we're going to have a width of 25. That would have to be the maximum. So let's go ahead and put this back into, we want to find the height. That's what we're finding. And we've got now an equation for height, which is this one here. So h is equal to 150 minus 4 times, and I got w, but really we mean x, which is 25. So 150 minus 425 is 100. So h must be equal to 50. Now 50, what is it? It's going to be in centimeters, so 50 centimeters. And that would be the way I find the answer.